Hi, she made. So I got a lot of requests from people asking me exactly how I made that sleeve. Some people wanted to know if it was cut straight, as flay or as that. This is exactly how I cut it. Folded my material into four. To achieve that fullness, you need about 2 yards. Then I marked 4 inches at each interval. Then I started drawing the circular line, as you can see. This is exactly how I cut it, circular. Then, after drawing all those lines, remember I did not actually record when I made the other blouse. So I did something exactly like that, and I had to make this video. So I can clarify everyone who was asking the question how exactly I made the sleeve. So then I was done with the markings. Then I started cutting in a circular form. We call this flounce cutting. So I started cutting. Then when I finished cutting, I got a red crinoline from the market. Some people asked if it was hard net I used. No, it's called a crinoline, and that's the crinoline. This is the crinoline. Then this is it. Then I attached my crinoline. This particular one I used organza, but the first one I made, I used a doll face, and because doll face is somehow thicker than an organza. So, and then I had to double the organza, but when I made it with the doll face, I did not double it. If you can see that video very well, you see some parts of the crinoline outside. So this is me after turning, with the crinoline is in between this is an organza fabric I used here. So this is me closing up, top stitching. I'll have to go ahead and weave the mouth. Then this is me now placing it on the fabric I'm going to use as a sleeve. So as you're doing this, you need to be pleating it. I did not really have enough material here for this particular sleeve, but I still pleated depending on the design I was making. The other one you guys know was much more fuller than this one. So, but to get that particular effect, you need to pleat as you sew. It will give it this, as you can see, this effect now you're seeing. That's exactly how I got that effect. You pleat. So you need to get about 2.5 yards to 3 yards, depending on what you're making. So guys, this is exactly how I made the sleeve. Hope this video was able to answer a lot of questions for those who really wanted to know how I made that particular sleeve. So thank you guys for watching. See you guys. Bye.